Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: your Apple ID, two-factor authentication, and an iPhone updated to the latest iOS. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a card. Choose Apple Cash from the list. When prompted, agree to terms and verify identity. You'll need to enter basic personal details. This begins the secure Apple Cash setup flow, so make sure to proceed without skipping verification steps. Once done, you'll be ready to link funding sources next. Next, link a funding source so you can load and spend Apple Cash. In wallet settings, select Add Card and choose a debit card or link a bank account. Some banks support instant verification while others use micro deposits. Enter any verification codes you receive or confirm small test deposits. Set your default Apple Pay card and check Apple Cash limits and identity verification status. This ensures payments, transfers, and taxes are handled correctly. Make sure the funding source finish by enabling Apple Cash in Wallet and in Messages so you can send and receive money instantly. Send a small test payment to a trusted contact and confirm the transfer appears in Transactions. This validates setup. Once verified, enable notifications and review settings like automatic transfers. If something goes wrong, first re-verify your identity in Settings, update iOS, and restart your device. If the problem persists, contact Apple support with account details. This troubleshooting step usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.